Welcome to this lesson on geometry. Today, we are going to explore a beautiful and famous equation known as Euler's formula. This simple formula connects the three fundamental parts of 3D shapes: vertices, edges, and faces. First, let's understand what a polyhedron is. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape that has flat surfaces. It has straight edges where these surfaces meet and sharp corners, or vertices. Common examples include cubes and pyramids. Shapes with curves, like spheres or cylinders, are not polyhedra. To use the formula, we need to count three specific things. First, V stands for vertices, which are the corner points. Second, E stands for edges, which are the lines connecting the corners. And third, F stands for faces, which are the flat surfaces enclosed by the edges. Let's look at a familiar shape, the cube. If we count carefully, we see it has 8 vertices, 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. It has 6 faces, top, bottom, and 4 sides. And it has 12 edges connecting everything together. Now let's look at a simpler shape, the tetrahedron or a triangular pyramid. It has 4 vertices, 1 at the top and 3 at the base. It has 4 triangular faces, and it has 6 straight edges. Here is Euler's famous formula. It states that for any convex polyhedron, the number of vertices minus the number of edges plus the number of faces always equals 2. v-e+f equals 2. Let's test this formula with our cube numbers. We had 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. So 8 minus 12 is -4. -4 plus 6 equals 2. The formula works perfectly. Now let's test the tetrahedron. We had 4 vertices, 6 edges, and 4 faces. 4 minus 6 is -2. -2 plus 4 equals 2. The formula works again. Let's try one more shape, the octahedron. This looks like 2 pyramids stuck base to base. It has 6 vertices and 8 faces. It has 12 edges. Let's do the math. 6 minus 12 is -6. -6 plus 8 equals 2. So, no matter the shape, as long as it is a convex polyhedron without holes, this rule holds true. Vertices minus edges plus faces equals 2. This is one of the most fundamental rules in geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.